Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi, a day in my life as a swim coach and lifeguard dito sa Riyadh na lumalaban ng patas sa buhay. So this is how we celebrated our Christmas Eve. After namin magtrabaho, kumain lang kami dito sa tapat ng Black Pinoy. Hindi ko na kalimutan ko yung title nung resto. Pero kung taga Riyadh ka, alam mo to at sikat na sikat to. Ang sarap ng inasal nila, feels like home. Thank you po Tito Partner sa pa-dinner. And kinabukasan, 5:30 AM, pumasok na ulit ako sa trabaho. So ganun lang po yung Pasko. Parang isang hangin lang, dumaan lang. At medyo may kapuyatan pa ako kasi nga, late na rin kami natapos kumain kagabi kasi late na rin kami natapos sa mga trabaho namin.
Merry Christmas! Yes po! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Sama ko kayo sa vlog Happy Christmas dapat! Happy Christmas po!
Happy Christmas po,
Thank you!
Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas, everyone! I think and I remember that's a long things. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Today we are going to swim today. It's our holiday swim or Christmas swim. So swim with me. Come on, swim with me. So yeah, I will swim with Nana today. This is Christmas or holiday swim. Merry Christmas, everyone. Feeling ko si Michael Phelps na ako. Okay. Kasi may napanood akong interview ni Michael Phelps. I swim every day, even in holidays. Here's the pool. Bye! Done with my Christmas swim. Happy holidays, ya all! Merry Christmas! I think another man. Tapos na ako sa Christmas swim ko. Nag-swim ako with Nada. Merry Christmas! Guys, pauwi na ako.